Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today we have a case, a unboxing, if you will. It's not really much of an unboxing because it's so easy to take out of the box, but here it is, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So this is the Pathfinder series. It is rugged, it is tough, it is black, it's going to go with just about everything. So this is what we got, this is what we love. This is definitely a little bit more of it's a redesign. UAG's changing things up with every single case. Now, if you're out there right now and you're thinking to yourself, Aaron, I just want a solid case. I don't care about anything else. I want my phone to be protected. This is gonna be your case. I'm so positive that this case is going to protect my phone, and we're gonna do a little droppy test, but don't go anywhere because we're not there yet. Looking at the key elements that I feel make Urban Armor gear a top contender for cases, they have this grip along the edge. So it's one thing if you have a case, but if it's a slippery case and it's going to fall out of your hand, well, it's not really useful now, is it? Urban Armor gear thinks about this. They think ahead. They have the case. It's good. It's solid. It has these amazing, wonderful cutouts. And I know you might be thinking a cutout is a cutout, but I'm here to tell you, not all case manufacturers are created equal. Not all of them pay the close attention and precision to their cutouts like Urban Armor gear does. And when you actually take the phone, this is a beautiful phone, beautiful color. We're gonna stick it in here, and that's okay because above all else, we need to make sure our device is protected. And I felt confident doing that. And the reason I felt confident doing that is something that I like to call raised edges. Here we have edges that go up and above the glass on all four corners. Now I know you might be thinking, of course it goes on all four corners, Aaron. No, not all case manufacturers do that. I don't know why. Some of them have it raised at the top, raised at the bottom, and they have like a little rocking motion there. We don't have rocking motions with Urban Armor gear. Flipping it over right there, we feel pretty confident. Why do we feel confident? We feel confident because the only thing that could potentially be injured right here is this, and it's raised up significantly. You see that? Significant raise ability is what we like to call it. So now that we've tossed the phone around a little bit, now that you've seen that I'm not afraid to hurt it, let's go ahead and take a look. Is it cracked anywhere? Anywhere? There's absolutely no issues, no problems whatsoever with this device. This device myself might actually be the phone of 2020, and I know what you're thinking. Aaron, the phone of 2020, we thought you loved your Z Galaxy Fold 2, and I do love that phone. I love it more than anything, and I use it every single day, but this phone has my heart. It has won me over in ways the Z Fold 2 never could. It allows me to enter into a top-tier Samsung phone at mid-range prices with high-level specs. So with that said, why don't I want to protect this phone? You might be thinking there's cheaper cases out there, Aaron. Why should I pay 40 bucks for an Urban Armor gear case? It's simple. Do you want to protect your phone that you're in love with, that you cherish and hold, and it does everything you need it to do? Do you want to treat it badly and say, thanks for showing up and doing your job 110%, but I'm only going to give you 80% protection because I want to save $5? No, you go the extra mile. You spend 40 bucks. You protect your device because a device like this is going to be your device for years to come. Now, let's stop messing around. Let's drop this thing. Let's actually put it to the test and see, does it protect the phone? So here is our Samsung Galaxy S20 FE Fan Edition for everyone, if you will, and we're gonna inspect the actual case right now and just go ahead and take a look at it. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing, but I'm seeing practically next to nothing from all those devilish drops that it just endured. Now, you guys are only going to see a couple drops, but I did several. I'm just giving you my best two. The first one is just the casual whoopsie daisy, dropped my phone out of my hand while I'm trying to use it type of deal. I tend to keep my phones in my back pockets, either both or one, or depending on what I'm doing. There's no damage or blemishes to anything, not even the camera casing, nice and smooth, nice and beautiful. Edges all the way around. Nothing to be worried about when you drop your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE when it is inside your Urban Armor Gear case. This is a great case. It definitely adds a little bit of bulk to your device. However, it's already a pretty thin device to begin with, so the bulk that it adds really isn't too evasive. It's actually welcoming, kind of gives you something a little bit extra to hold on to.
That's what she said.
So you're thinking, where do I get this case? Well, you can just go down to urbanarmorgear.com. You can go ahead and select your cell phone type, which is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. And then there you go. If you go ahead and purchase this and you sign up for their mailing list, I believe there's an additional 15% off of this today. That is a limited time offer. So hopefully by the time of this recording, that is still available for you. At any rate, the case is $39.95. As you can see for yourself, it is definitely worth it. Take advantage of it. Get it while the getting is good. These cases are not going to last forever. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is a popular device. I wouldn't be surprised if these don't start selling out pretty quick. Guys, till next time, for the love of tech, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the video. Tell me what you think about Urban Armor Gear. Tell me what your favorite case manufacturer is and why. Let's have a discussion. Meet me in the comments section. Till next time, namaste.